So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add text to a slide here in Google Slides. So pretty straightforward. Once you have Google Slides open up on your device, what I want you to do is go to this top bar right here and press on the plus icon. So sort of in the top right, press on the plus icon. Then where it says insert, you can insert text, image, shapes, line, table. We obviously want to insert text. So we're going to go ahead and press on text. So now what you can do is actually just type in whatever you want. So I'm just going to type in text for simplicity's sake. And as you can tell, it's actually super duper small. So we're going to go ahead and make it bold. And we're going to just play around with it this way. I'll get rid of that right there. So we're just going to go ahead and do that right there. Now, if you want to make it a little bit different, what you can do is actually just hold down the text, go to the top right where there's this A with an underline. You can go ahead and press on that, and you can actually change a whole bunch of different stuff here. So if you want to change the text size, you can do that by making it bigger. You can change the font. You can go make it bold, whatever the case may be. But it's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add text to a slide here in Google Slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.